Hey guys, it's Nesta here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video. We're gonna go ahead and go to Philippe Park today. We heard that there's like this cool road with like winding trees over it, so we're gonna see what we can get there. And I have my little brother with me to help me out. So right up ahead there's like this street with these trees growing over it, so we're gonna go there first, show you guys that and film that location. Then we're gonna head across through the woods, take pictures there, show you guys what I do, and then we're gonna lift off the drone now in the morning and then in the afternoon. Okay, so what I'm doing here is trying to get like a behind the shoulder point of view. So I also filmed with a GoPro. It's like an older model, and in some instances it looks good, in others like this one I think it came out a bit grainy. I have to admit something, I still don't have this vlogging thing down, so when there's a lot of people I just leave. We avoid them like there's some zombies or something. So we're finding a lot of shade, which is a good thing. This is beautiful. What happened? He swallowed a bug. I guess if I could give any big tip that you guys could take away from this video, composition I think is key. You may have the best camera available. If you don't know how to compose your shots in photography or videography, it's gonna look like trash every time. Try to get something that gives where you are some scale, or try to focus in on something. One of the difficult challenges of shooting later in the day is basically how harsh the sunlight can be. So in this photo I'm using the shade from the trees to my advantage, but I'm also being careful about the sunlight that's peeking through. It was a bit still overexposed. Notice I'm still using the histogram, so I definitely recommend using that. This photo I also went ahead and added a bit of a fade using the tone curves in Lightroom, and I guess the colors that you have in my preset just kind of work good for this type of picture. Here I'm showing you guys, I'm taking a shot of my little brother, and I'm basically having him go towards the shade. I was able to use some dodge and burn to kind of bring forth some of the parts of his face that should be brightened and darkened, others that should not, and then of course also smoothing out the face. Yeah guys, that is all for this video of Philippe Park in Tampa. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and there's way more to come. So give a like if you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you back soon.